So today I was looking for a new kind of project, so I built an island. We have a mother-in-law Casita attached to our house that has a small kitchen in it, so I needed to make an island that could serve as both a dining table as well as a prep space island. And the best part of this project is that I built this entire island out of basically 5 pieces of scrap lumber that I had sitting in my garage. After cutting the wood down on my table saw and testing the height to make sure that it was comfortable for dining chairs, I attached everything together with pocket holes and screws. And then I secured the 2 legs to the cabinet box using some melamine glue and some screws from inside the cabinet box out up into the trim. At this point, I was pretty impressed because it was really starting to look like an island. And because I used all that scrap ash and poplar, the thing is so sturdy. I ordered some casters online and I plan on painting all of this so that it looks cohesive and not like a bunch of random scrap pieces of wood. And between the casters and the countertop, it should bring it up to just above table height, but below counter height. We even had enough hardwood scraps to be able to create like a paneled situation on the side to make it a little bit more decorative. I used my brad nailer on the thicker wood, but then on this thinner panel, I used a pin nailer and you can see the difference between the 2 nails. My pin nailer has seriously become my favorite tool. I mean, look at how tiny that hole is. The last steps before paint is Bondo over all of the seams that we want to completely turn invisible, caulk around the inner quarters, and then wood fill on all of the nail holes. Now to just sand, paint, and add the casters, and we've got ourselves an island. Stay tuned.